welcome back to Simply Fatima. I'm so excited that you're back for another video. Today's video I am doing a double Saint Laurent unboxing. If you're an oldie but a goodie, welcome back, and if you're new, welcome to Simply Fatima, where we talk about all things luxury and luxury handbags. If you have not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, what are you waiting for? Just go ahead, smash that subscription button, and also give this video a thumbs up, and also turn on your bell's notifications so that you will never miss an upload from me. While you're at it, also go follow me on Instagram at _simplyfatima_loves_luxury, so that we can get to know each other there, just like how we are getting to know each other here. Hopefully you have been enjoying the last few videos that I have been uploading. It feels so good to be back. And if you have any kind of video ideas that you think I should film, just go ahead and comment those down below, and I will be happy to film that content for you. Also, I am doing a 500 subscriber giveaway. If you don't know what happened to my last channel, go ahead and watch the Where Have I Been video. I will link that video up in the cards above. But for my goal of hitting 500 subscribers, I plan on making that a giveaway. So the lucky winner will get to win these really cute, really stylish Gucci sunglasses. All of the entry details will be in the description box down below, so please make sure to check that out. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. So I am doing a double Saint Laurent unboxing. One of these bags, if you already follow me on Instagram, you already know what bag this is, or seen the style of the Saint Laurent bag that I have. And then I have another one that you all have not seen yet. So let's get right into it, okay? So the first Saint Laurent bag is coming from Fashion File. Fashion File just needs to go ahead and, you know, partner with your girl, because these last few videos have been nothing but Fashion File videos, but that's neither here nor there. So I just went ahead, cut it open to make the video go by faster and quicker and smoother. So Fashion File package, the envelope with my receipt and return information. Again, the box comes with confetti, and it also comes with a oh my gosh, the confetti doesn't want to get off. It also comes with a nail file, and it says, "I like my money where I can see it," hanging in my closet. That's super cute. So the Fashion File box is how it always comes. If it comes different for other people, well, this is how my Fashion File boxes have been coming the past 3 times. So they wrapped my bag in this paper right here, and it comes in a Fashion File dust bag. I haven't gotten a dust bag from Fashion File that's like this, but this is cool. And so I'm just gonna open her up. And yes, I got the Mini Lou camera bag, black on black. This is in the pebbled leather, but this is what she looks like up close. This is the side. This is the back. And it has a back pocket as well. And here's the front again. And I love all of my Saint Laurent pieces. Here's the authenticity card with the care card as well. I love all of my Saint Laurent pieces, black on black. It's just something about the black on black Saint Laurent items that just really gets me. And the reason, I'm just gonna go ahead and pop this this tag off that comes on, because I'm definitely keeping this bag. But the reason why I decided to go the pre-loved market with this bag is because on the Saint Laurent website, they have this bag for $1,200. And I was just scrolling through Fashion File like I always do, and I came across this bag for way, like a fraction of that price, and it looks freaking brand new. The only thing it didn't come with is the Saint Laurent dust bag and the box, but everything else, it is brand new. This is the zipper pull. The zipper pull has the Saint Laurent logo on it, and it's tasseled. It's a tasseled zipper pull. The zipper pull, you cannot remove the tassel. The tassel is attached. You all know that I have this exact same bag in the new red color that they offer. And when I saw that they had a black on black version, I had to get it. I don't know, it's something so sleek about a black on black Saint Laurent bag that just gives off nice sexy vibes. I love it. Inside of the handbag, there are slots for your cards to go, and other than that, it's just one main large compartment. But again, I just thought I would rather go down the road where I can have this exact same bag, basically brand new for a fraction of the price. But yeah, I was just like, this is a really nice handbag, practically brand new, and I love it. I love the black on black look. It's very sleek, it's very nice. You all know I have the Lou Camera bag, black on black with the smooth leather. You also know I have the toy Lulu in black on black. And now I have this one, and I also have the same bag in V red with gold hardware, which is really, really nice. And this is a great bag to dress up, to dress down. If you want a video seeing what I can fit inside of here, just comment that down below and I will do that for you, okay? So let's go right into the next bag, okay? Just like my other box, I went ahead and opened this box. Plus, you all have seen this. I did, if you follow me on Instagram saw it first, so you've seen this bag that I'm about to unbox. So I'm just gonna unbox it into the background story. So it came with like package paper, but because I've already unboxed it, I just left all of that out. This bag did come from Farfetch, and it is a Saint Laurent piece. And this bag is so beautiful. Here she is. This is the denim Uptown envelope clutch. It's the Uptown clutch in denim. So here is an up close shot of the bag. You see it has, and this is the side. It has this suede, tan suede interior right here. Here's the back. It's kind of like this washed brown denim fabric, which I love. This is the inside. The denim is on the inside as well, and it's a black main compartment. These straps can be removed. The logo is this aged non-shiny gold hardware, and so is the strap. It's also like this aged non-shiny gold hardware, which is really, really nice. Again, I also have this clutch in black, and what I like about these clutches is that you get a card holder. This is a Saint Laurent leather card holder that came with the bag, and it matches, and it's a nice tan soft leather, and it matches the bag perfectly. You have a spot to put cards here or some cash, and you have a spot to put 4 credit cards up here, and it's hot stamped with Saint Laurent on it. So yes, this is such a nice handbag. Oh, and it also comes with the authenticity card and the care card right here inside. So I was scrolling on the My Teresa website, and I came across this clutch on their website, and it was sold out. So I was like heartbroken. Like literally, I went and searched all over the internet, and then something, and just when I was about to give up, something was just like, check Farfetch's website. Like when I tell you, I was on every single handbag page on Farfetch, and so I ran across this. This was the only one they had left. I went ahead and put it in my cart, paid for it, and here she is now. Side note, Farfetch, their shipping is really quick. Like I ordered it on Sunday of last week, and it came Tuesday of last week. And so this is my handbag. I love her. I cannot, and this is something different in my collection too. Like I don't have anything that is denim. I think this is something that can be in your collection for a long time. It's different, it's lovely. I also fell in love with the YSL denim trend when I saw different YouTubers with like different styles of denim bags, and I was just like so in love. But yeah, so let me know your thoughts on my 2 Saint Laurent bags. This one right now is like literally I love this one, don't get me wrong, but this one is definitely a fan favorite of mine, and I cannot wait to use her. If you like content like this, please make sure to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and also share. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram at _simplyfatima_loves_luxury. Also, don't forget that I am doing a 500 subscriber giveaway, and I am giving away these Gucci sunglasses. All the entry details will be in the description box down below. And until next time, my loves, I will talk to you guys later. Bye.